Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important topics out there: how to make money. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a big purchase, or achieve financial independence, the tips we're about to share will give you the tools to start earning more today. We know that financial stress can be overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can take control of your finances and open up new opportunities for yourself. In this video, we're breaking down 5 actionable ways to boost your income, all of which can be tailored to fit your unique skills, interests, and lifestyle. From leveraging your existing talents to exploring new avenues like side hustles and investments, we've got you covered. Segment 1. Leverage your skills. Let's start with one of the most direct ways to make money: leveraging your skills. Think about what you're good at, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, teaching, or even organizing. The skills you already possess can be turned into profitable ventures. For example, if you're a strong writer, freelance writing can be a lucrative path. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are platforms where you can offer your services to a global audience. Create a professional profile that highlights your expertise and start bidding on jobs that match your skills. If you're skilled in design, consider creating logos, social media content, or even entire websites for clients. Coding is another in-demand skill. Whether it's developing websites, apps, or even consulting on cybersecurity, there's a significant market out there. Even if your skills are less technical, like tutoring or language translation, you can still find opportunities to earn. The key is to start small, build a portfolio, and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. Segment 2. Start a side hustle. Next up, let's talk about side hustles. In today's gig economy, there are countless ways to earn extra income outside of your regular job. The beauty of a side hustle is its flexibility. You can tailor it to your schedule, your interests, and your financial needs. For instance, if you have a car and enjoy driving, rideshare services like Uber or Lyft offer a flexible way to earn money on your own terms. Prefer something less social? Food delivery services like DoorDash or Uber Eats are great alternatives. If you're more of a hands-on person, consider offering services like dog walking, house sitting, or even lawn care. The digital space is also ripe with opportunities. Starting a blog, becoming an affiliate marketer, or even creating a YouTube channel can all become profitable ventures. The key to success with a side hustle is consistency. Set aside specific hours each week dedicated to your hustle and treat it like a business. Keep track of your income and expenses to understand your profitability and make informed decisions. As you gain experience, look for ways to optimize your process and increase efficiency. Whether that means Segment 3. Invest wisely. Investing is a powerful way to make your money work for you, but it requires knowledge, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy. If you have some savings set aside, consider investing it in ways that can generate passive income. The first step is understanding the different types of investments available. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and commodities are just a few of the options you can explore. Each type of investment comes with its own level of risk and potential return, so it's crucial to do your research before diving in. For beginners, low-risk options like high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, or government bonds can be a good starting point. These investments offer modest returns but are generally safe and reliable. If you're ready to take on more risk for higher rewards, consider investing in the stock market. Start with index funds or ETFs, which provide diversified exposure to the market, reducing the risk of investing in individual stocks. Real estate is another avenue worth exploring, whether through buying rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. No matter what you choose, remember that investing is a long-term game. The key is to stay informed, diversify your investments, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Segment 4. Monetize a hobby. Turning a hobby into a source of income is one of the most enjoyable ways to make money because it allows you to earn while doing something you're passionate about. The first step is identifying a hobby that you not only love, but also has the potential to be monetized. For example, if you're an avid photographer, consider selling your photos online through stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. You can also offer portrait sessions or event photography services in your local area. If you're into crafting, websites like Etsy allow you to sell handmade items to a global audience. Gaming enthusiasts can stream their gameplay on platforms like Twitch, where they can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and viewer donations. The key to successfully monetizing a hobby is to find a niche that has a demand and where you can provide unique value. Once you've identified your niche, start building a brand around it. Create a social media presence, engage with your community, and offer your products or services with professionalism. As your following grows, you can expand your offerings and even explore additional revenue streams, such as teaching others through online courses or workshops. The beauty of monetizing a hobby is that it doesn't feel like work. You're doing what you love, and the money is a 5. Utilize online marketplaces. Online marketplaces offer a convenient and effective way to turn in used items into cash or even start a small business. If you have things around your house that you no longer need, clothes, electronics, furniture, or collectibles, consider selling them on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. The first step is to sort through your belongings and identify items that are in good condition and have resale value. Once you've selected what to sell, take high-quality photos and write detailed, accurate descriptions to attract buyers. Pricing is crucial. Research similar listings to ensure your items are competitively priced. If you're interested in something more sustainable, consider buying and reselling items for a profit, a practice known as flipping. You can find undervalued items at garage sales, thrift stores, or online auctions and resell them at a higher price. Another option is to start an e-commerce business through dropshipping or print-on-demand services. With dropshipping, you sell products directly from suppliers who handle inventory and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. Print on demand allows you to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, which are produced and shipped only when an order is placed. Conclusion. And there you have it, a detailed guide on 5 practical ways to start making money today. Each of these strategies, leveraging your skills, starting a side hustle, investing wisely, monetizing a hobby, and utilizing online marketplaces, offers a unique path to boosting your income. The key is to take action. Choose 1 or 2 strategies that resonate with you and start implementing them in your life. Remember, the road to financial success is paved with consistency and a willingness to learn. It's not just about making money. It's about creating opportunities for growth, stability, and financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on making money and achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching, And as always, keep hustling.